Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download the order invoice bill for your Amazon orders and for your Flipkart orders. First we will learn how to download the invoice for our orders on the Flipkart app. On the top left side corner on the Flipkart app you can get three lines. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the orders, and in this section guys you can get the list of the order which you have ordered previously on the Flipkart. As you can see, if you want to get the any order invoice, just tap on that order like this. Just scroll down slightly and here you can get the option invoice download. Just tap on it and the bill will downloaded on your device. So this is the method to download the invoice on your Flipkart app. So now let's see how to download the invoice on the Amazon app. So for this guys, yes, you need to open the Amazon app. After opening, in the bottom right side corner you can get three lines. Just tap on it, and here guys you can get the option of your orders. As you can see, just tap on it and here you can get the list of your order. As you can see, so if you want to download the invoice of your order, just tap on that order and here guys tap on view order details. Okay, here guys you can get the option download invoice. As you can see, just tap on it, the bill will download it on your device. So these are the simple and easy methods to download the invoice for your Amazon and Flipkart orders. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.